And what's happening YouTube? Your boy TechTrex is back now in a video. Today we're looking at the isinwheel GT2 off-road e-scooter with powerful 800 watts motor and long battery life, 28 miles long range and high speed, and 11-inch off-road tires and dual shock absorption. Today we're gonna test it out and see how well it does. Here we go. First things first, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button if you want to get one of these. I'll link this down below, so go ahead and check that out. It is an affiliate link and it does help out the channel a lot if you get it from there. Here we go. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Now here are the features of the GT2. It has a powerful motor and high speed. The GT2 folding electric scooter equipped with a powerful brushless motor providing faster acceleration and climbing ability, which reaches up to 28 miles per hour top speed and max 35% climbing slope. 1000 watt peak power supports to tackle all terrains easily. This e-scooter can make your journey from home to office, school, mountain, cross-country so much easier. The next feature is the long range and long battery life. The battery on this is 48 volt, 15 amp hour lithium battery. It's able to reach up to 28 miles long distance riding on standard mode. The foldable electric scooter features 3 speed modes. The first one is 0 to 10, which is the first gear miles per hour. The second gear is 0 to 18 miles per hour. And the third gear is 0 to 28 miles per hour, providing a more exciting and customizable ride. Now, the new release 2023 electric scooter that we are looking at right now comes with the smart LCD meter, which shows the speed mode, battery life, and etc. The GT2 featuring the 360 lighting system that includes dual headlights, dual side lights, rear turn signal, and brake lights, ensuring that you can always see and be seen. It's very safe to ride even at night. The GT2 also has the 11 inches pneumatic off-road tires with good shocks. It has an anti-skid performance and high control sensitivity, taking you off-road very easily. The front and rear independent suspension can greatly absorb the discomfort caused by rough roads, and it can load up to 330 pounds. It has great brake system as well, dual brake system, and also it's foldable. The GT2 is easy to fold and very portable. If you want to take it to your car, you'll be able to do that because it's very compact. You can even fold the handles itself, which is really awesome to have. It can be stored in the trunk of a car, carried on public transportation, and it's perfect for traveling. The isinwheel electric scooter is equipped with hydraulic brake system as well, quadruple absorbent system designed to improve safety while riding. So no matter how fast you're going, the brakes will be able to stop you and super safe to use. The GT2 is also made out of the aluminum alloy frame. It is an aircraft grade lightweight aluminum alloy frame, guaranteeing exceptional body durability even in the most extreme conditions. Now the price for this in the Amazon, if you are going to buy it in Canada, it is $1,099 Canadian, and they're doing a Prime Day deal, so go ahead and check that out on the 10th there, October 10th. They are also giving away a bag right now that you can put your stuff right in the front like what I have here. And yeah, if you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. And that's it. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new e-scooter. This one is all-terrain, very powerful 1000 watts e-scooter, and I would definitely recommend it for people who does a lot of commute and you want to use this on grass, gravel, uphill, downhill. No matter what it is, it has a great range. It's very fast as well. Just make sure you wear your helmet so that you're safe as well. Definitely check it out. Everything will be linked down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace!